omaya ye sikampoano a Portuguese for ni Danish for ni British for nyina buy na ka Ghana ye wo sika afi oman ni mum ye cost Bob besia wo IMF ni World Bank. Now this same abrofu colonial masters Britain for ye ni Portuguese for the Danish for ya wamam ye and then they have, to borrow speaker word, transmogrified themselves. Or more abrofi have transmogrified. So one take history nasia. One tears here the entire way somewhere couldn't do a bre. Now, unfortunately, young Ghana leaders so MYing. Unfortunately, you use no so miatie. We do not want to prepare ourselves for the next 20 years to say, perhaps you to know your bar. Mama yamba such trajectory na or minor and a direction for flow. Any yenya ye gum. A strong yet, a form yet, and 50 no crowd any monyo. Am yet de beer when I speak about the youth. They say, woman the hold the key, no say. Sananado anya dear, Mahama anya dear, Tamosa anya dear, Kufu anya dear, Rollins anya dear. Yatete te ako sin kromasoma anya dear. Na so omo na betimi age nkwa no a ene ne suban ya youth no ye wone de anyo because we don't get it. It is a youth no a ye be bo man so say atia da na akoye te say debi sebi they say youth no mu achem you know half don't care. They just live on social media ko hwe nufu ne to kakra no akoda ne ba bi adwen no. The other half no so I imagine some dey be diatem, and it's also not solving the problem because still I'm penny for one more whiskey one you no more bono ma da they don't care. They don't care. It mean I've decided in my heart is I mean be Ghana China minya BP. Because if I see you to no pan, me say Ukraine war is starting. Some young boys be on more college. Or more developing app ne website here. Connecting a friend saying nipa or more or abroad any other countries or more accommodation. My ready to make the phone. Now you connect to just go to the site. Now Facebook by a man TV or Mutia broche na ye. They say TikTok waba Ghana 40 we are a consuming generation. Young Ghana man we are a consuming they say obi nyane imagine kodi. Yeah, they ain't creative you. The obe critic account so one will pull the person down. Now the whole world, China is the #1 leading producer of gold. China is the #1 leading producer of gold. Yetiana Aisha wine. Eba Ghana best say yensio wa dance amansie Ghana Western region or best say yensio fire gold no de koye kokan whatever fedi. Besinne we didn't bloody see anything about Aisha one at them. And this is the nation we are in. This is one money woman. Na say ya Ghana ya 65 years na say ya kasa ya tiemu ane nkosi aga. We must change the direction or adiana aye. This is the time I also youth ne groupie. You regroup your near start to see find ideas. Massa, 10 years, then you buy young planning, young started a day training in here, their expertise, their knowledge in here. Gun and your branch able to send chroma or America now. Gun and your branch able to send chroma and Nasa Buzia to London now. Gun and able to China now. Gun and able to Anna. Dear no, can we group? Can we come together? And that's what the social media, you swear. You did the This is the time we use the social media to connect. We don't even need to do physical meeting. No, be able to say, plan you. Yeah, you know, the China plan, the other way, you can't bomb on one platform. Then you bet me, Bibi all bet me, Sikabi all, yan starting one Ghana contribution, yan one Ghana. This is the time we need to plan. And I tell you, this is the time we must be planning. We must be planning to fix Ghana. Now, ya say about 2024. Say NDC and Mahama Beba Bear Ghana, Masa Enko Siaga, it won't change. And now you say 2024, I'm telling you. Because look, both NDC and MP, we have seen their blueprint. What is going to change in their manifesto? I just say be a brand here, be to say be a dumelo no more master. Some of these young people near there, bam, okay, yeah, we are going to change the status quo. Now, also, changing the status quo. They won't bloody allow you. They will not allow you. You bet you also bad. Oh, my man, why? Who party ni one anymore? I mean, Busa Manti and Maba and Nina almost struggle for NDC and MPP. No say, Young Busa almost the foundation of both parties. Do they even know? They don't even know. One more NDC, there are lots of NDC boys who are more serial callers. They don't even know, say the Rollins manifesto. How Rollins, the first launch of NDC manifesto, Rollins signed it with his blood. They don't even know yet or NDC. What is it? Or NDC, or scared into Okum. Obi so MPP mo pa the foundation of MPP for so almost start here. Omu buzi adankwa time. Domonum ni ade almost start by. They don't even know what is called MPP mo. No ye wada no so be di atem kaka no nya attention. Oh, 4 years time. Obetimi abedi MP ono anoko ono to giska konife. And you see, so omu nyina dwen sa they are not misplaced because we can identify anye ye kra be mrantia ne maba be 10. Na anu ya na ehu omu na anu ya 2 days yo. Ewo Ghana politics more than this near people they have become rich into busasa mrantie ya so ni na co school no koye medicine no no resource doctor onye be credit why over time asa na wanya de odi be kona no ne de odi be ma na ebusuafo a then it is safe say ono so koye politics bi it now you can see who they run this near people mu mrantie doctors lawyers near the especially lawyers no obi akope politics ya because okomo benye sika di. It's between now and the next 10-20 years. Ghana no ayedi 65 no. Sikampo no. From Gold Coast to Ghana no. We have moved from a Gold Coast to a country. China is the leading producer of gold. China. Now no, the dog for years statistics about cocoa. The whole world. Ghana any produce cocoa. The highest quality cocoa. Ghana cocoa no Cote d'Ivoire for produce poche. First thing be to bomb with here. And yes, only a cocoa, the whole world. America makes the biggest amount of money, $20 billion from cocoa every year. America followed by Belgium. Ghana first 5 for crying. Ghana 65. First 5 top producers of cocoa. No, because the answer said, you see, between Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire, the highest number of cocoa for every. Cocoa, even general cocoa for crying yakuta. But we don't even process the cocoa. Eti ye beans no na ye buida credit cocoa ne kosi awawa. Oil no so anu ya nyankopon de man so oil no so ye dia manasa. Wodi say na no doctor edu owusu sa akode ye statistics no share no. Na extractive industry no mo kra Ghana sika ye nya wo menkosi aga. Ghana sika enya oye gold ni ekoko mu na brofo companies o mo ba ha omo de omo sika be hihye mu ni ade kro omo profit omo nya 2020 kwa 43 billion yes this yo dollars $43 billion abrofo no omo ba ha e de omo sika be companies the banisi ya for omo be that is why you see the way enye ye da. I'm not cursing the city but obi begina if you asema about me aka say when the fundamentals are weak the city will expose you no onim say enye ye. Even Baumia is aware, say, Sidi no, any ye. Say, Sidi no, I'm 7. Sidi to the dollar, and then I'm 7. Any ye. Because I feel bia, ye sika, ye diva, ye generating, including tika from your cocoa, your gold, any idea, ye no. Abrofono se sakwa, 43 billion. This is just 2020 figures. This is just for 20. Can I say? So every year, be striking an average of 43. Near fans, so they about $35 billion. $35 billion, Odi amo ya mass no youth no mo ye